Good morning and thanks for joining us. It's clear out there this morning. Some of us are comfortable and some of us are still warm. It's 70 degrees in Springfield with east and southeast winds at 3 miles per hour and a pretty sticky dew point at 65. Now we had our cold front come through yesterday, but overnight it stalled in southwest Missouri. So some of us are much cooler this morning up to the north and east by about 10 to 15 degrees from Lake of the Ozarks to Rolla, but then others of us are still the same, still warm and muggy. Look at that. It's 58 degrees in Rolla, 70 in Springfield, and 70 in Monette. The dew points are responding with some drier air up to the north and east. The dew points in the upper 50s and lower 60s around Rolla, but we still have dew points in the lower 70s to the south and west. So look at the muggy meter map. Starting out feeling nice around Rolla, Lake of the Ozarks, Lebanon, and Salem. Kind of sticky in Springfield, and then still oppressive from Joplin down to Branson and Harrison. Some of us feeling good, others of us still feeling summery. Again, that's because the front is splicing the area. That more comfortable air seeping to the south, and then we're still pretty warm and humid here around that state line and for northern Arkansas. So as we head through the day today, this front is going to work its way back up to the north and east, where all of us will have those summer muggies come back. It's going to be hot and humid for everyone in the Ozarks, even if you're starting out feeling fine this morning. Mostly sunny skies and quiet again today. Summery, hot and humid. A middle and upper 80s very quickly this afternoon. 87 degrees by 3 o'clock. We'll feel closer to 100. Going for a high of about 90 degrees today in Springfield. We'll have mostly clear skies and warmer temperatures around 70 degrees by tonight. And then by tomorrow, much of the same. Upper 80s, lower 90s, hot and humid. That feels like today we'll get into the middle and upper 90s. Some areas, especially to the south and west, could get close to 100. And then the same thing tomorrow, another warm one with that heat index approaching that 100-degree mark. Staying summery through the work week and then to the weekend, temperatures at or above average in the upper 80s and lower 90s through the entire 7-day forecast. The tropics are active. We still have remnants of Ferdinand, Dorian, and Tropical Storm Gabriel near the coast of Africa. Dorian is, of course, what we've been watching very closely. The eye this morning of Dorian is really big. The eye alone is 50 miles wide. The storm has actually strengthened again overnight. It is now a Category 3 hurricane again with 115-mile-per-hour winds moving north right into the Carolina coast at 7 miles per hour. We're starting to see those tropical storm force winds get along that South Carolina coast. The hurricane force winds getting very close to Charleston this morning. And again, the storm is fat. The tropical storm force winds extend 195 miles out from the center. That will kick up storm surge up to 8 to 10 feet in parts of the Carolina coast, especially South Carolina, a little bit less as you get up to North Carolina's outer banks there. The storm is still having these hurricane warnings in effect. It could make landfall in North Carolina later on today into tomorrow, but even without a landfall, they're still looking at life-threatening storm surge and dangerous, damaging winds. It heads out to sea, but could clip Massachusetts with some tropical storm force winds this weekend, and then we finally get rid of this storm. 90 degrees today, mostly sunny, hot and humid. It feels close to 100. 70 overnight, warm and muggy. 91 again tomorrow, hot again, feels like 100. Again, just can't shake summer yet. We'll have mostly sunny skies through the weekend, temperatures in the upper 80s and lower 90s. A shower possible to the north on Sunday in central Missouri, but again, most of us stay dry. Maybe an isolated storm or two Tuesday and Wednesday, but the 7-day looks very quiet.